Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I do have the ASUS ROG earbuds, and I'm going to tell you how to pair them with your MacBook. So actually it works both for the MacBooks, Macs, etc. The most important thing is that you just have to have the Bluetooth in there. So at first we have to go and click this Bluetooth icon at the top using the right button and click Bluetooth settings. Now what we have to do is, as you can see, you can't see anything because the brightness level is that much, but trust me, it's here. Open the case, and now you have to hold these one of earbuds, for example let me right one, for 4 seconds when they're in pairing mode. Now they are in pairing mode, and what I do recommend doing is to insert them in your ears. If they are in your ears, it's possible to pair them because sometimes you will have some pairing issues. And now once they are in your ears, click connect in the nearby devices list. Now as you can see, they have moved here and they are connected. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.